Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by picking the exact slide element you want linked. You can use text, an image, or a shape. You do this because link targets differ. A URL, a local file, or another slide each requires a slightly different input. Once selected, open Insert Link immediately. This is faster than right-clicking when you're in Edit Flow. Make sure you've copied the destination address beforehand so you can paste without interruption and avoid broken links later. With the hyperlink dialog open, paste the URL into the address field or click to browse and attach a file. Choose place in this document if linking to another slide. You do this so the link behaves exactly as intended for viewers. Next, update the display text or leave the image as is and add a screen tip to clarify destination. Once configured, test the type. External links should open a browser, internal links should jump to the right slide. Finish by testing links in slideshow mode. Click exactly as your audience will, and observe whether the browser opens or the slide changes. If something goes wrong, reopen the hyperlink dialog, verify you pasted the full URL or correct file path, and check that the file is accessible to viewers. Network shares and local paths often break. As a best practice, use cloud-hosted links or embed files when sharing the deck, because this prevents broken links caused by missing local files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.